guys, you cannot believe what I just did. It took me like 30 minutes to get this really good and every single thing good. But I made my first paper squishy, and it's a donut. If you can't tell, I'm gonna try and make it so you can see my face here. Donut. I just finished making it, and I think I did really good. My first one, and this isn't like this wasn't like a trial and error thing. This actually was my first one, and when I was putting the stuffing in, it was really hard at first, but you know, it's easy now. And I actually really like all the colorings. And yeah, that was just a quick announcement, but yeah, and this is the back. This back is 3 colors, so I wanted to get it perfect. The perfect donut sheen. So yeah, sorry I couldn't film that. I wasn't going to be talking, and I took breaks in between, so yeah, bye.